Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to revise the topic electroplating from the chapter Electric Current and Circuits. Here in the this chapter we have the topic electroplating. Now, what is electroplating? The electroplating is a process of coating a metal by another metal material in an electrochemical bath. Like in the activity 3 we will discuss by using the process of electrolysis. Means simply the electrolysis is the process of depositing one metal on another. As electroplating makes the surface of various object clean, smooth and shiny. With the process of electroplating, the substance become clean, smooth and shiny. Next example of electroplating. First, shiny chromium coated metallic plates or strips fixed on computer cabinets. This is one example of electroplating. Next, steel, chromium or silver plated utensils, gold plated jewelry, shiny brass coated latches or tapes, shiny metal coated wheel rims, gold or silver coated coins, tin coated cold drink cans, food storage boxes, shiny metal coated showpieces. So these all are made up of electroplating process. Now there is an activity 3. You have to take a beaker, and here we place two electrolyte, one is cathode and other is anode. To the one side we attached the uh, carbon rod and other is also a carbon rod. Here the liquid that is known as electrolyte is a substance that get ionized whenever a small amount of current passes through it, and due to this the led will glow. We For the process of electroplating we have a very good activity, the activity number 4. Okay, from by doing this activity we know what is electroplating. This is already in your book. Now what is electroplating? For example, we have this container. In the container we have the electrolyte. You know that what is electrolyte? The electrolyte is a substance or conducting substance or liquid that allow the current to pass through it and get ionized. Okay, in this activity we consider or we take the copper sulfate solution. Whenever a current passes through it, this is a DC current battery. Whenever a current passes through the copper sulfate solution, it get ionized, means copper 2 positive and SO4 negative. These two are the ions of copper sulfate. Okay, now we have this copper plate and we want to deposit the brass we want to deposit the copper on brass key. Okay, here at the negative terminal we have connected the brass key, means on the cathode, and on the positive terminal of battery we have placed this copper plate. So we have to deposit this copper on brass. Okay, so let's take this already we discuss. Let's take a beaker, 20 kg of copper sulfate electrolyte and few drops of sulfuric acid H2SO4 in the water to make the copper conducting. Okay, we have to add the sulfuric acid H2SO4 in the copper sulfate. So the positive terminal of battery is connected to the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the copper plate. The brass key is connected to the negative terminal of battery, means on cathode. When current flows in the circuit for half an hour, the color of the brass starts changing. Why the color of the brass key start changing? Because it acquired the copper on it. Okay, the current separated the consequence of the solution, and current dissolved the copper sulfate solution into copper and sulfate. Hence the copper is deposited on the brass key. The brass key is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. This is how the brass key get coated on the brass key gets copper on it. The complete process of coating a which metal copper on another material brass by the process of electroplating. Okay. So this electroplating technique used for gold and silver polishing, mostly in the case of artificial jewelry. Commercial electroplating units, the metal pieces is immersed in the temperature controlled electrochemical bath. Means for the higher level industries, the electroplating process is done in controlled conditions. Mean controlled condition is temperature is controlled. The object to be coated, this is most important point, the object to be coated should be on negative terminal, means on cathode. Now use of electroplating is used to avoid the corrosion of iron and steel. Thin layer of zinc, cadmium, copper and chromium nickel are deposit on which metals? Iron, steel objects. Because iron, steel are highly reactive, so less reactive metals or non-reactive metals like zinc, cadmium, copper to be deposit on these. Okay. So the last one is disposal of used electrochemical solution, means the electrolyte that we used in an environmental problem. It's if such situation are drained in the, so such solution are drained to sea. So if we drain or we throw it in the sea, so what will happen? It contaminate the water and drained in the landfill. They cause toxicity problems, okay, in the drinking water. Thus before depositing, the environmental pollution prevention guideline must be followed. So this is all about electro plating. Okay, thank you.